Today, we're gonna dive into the world that is Stand Oil, what may be the must-have medium for many oil painters like you out there. If you're curious about what Stand Oil is or how it can benefit your paintings and artworks, well, good news is, here we go. So what exactly is Stand Oil? Stand Oil is a type of linseed oil that has been thickened by heating it. This process creates a thicker honey-like consistency that is quite different from regular linseed oil. Stand Oil is known for a few great things, but its biggest benefit is its self-leveling properties, which means it helps create smooth, brush stroke free-ish finishes. So how do you use Stand Oil? Stand Oil is primarily used for creating more glossy, durable, and flexible paint films. It's fantastic for glazing techniques because it allows for a smoother blending, and it's way more effective when it comes to layering. Now you can mix Stand Oil with your oil paints or just use it as a medium, but you have to dilute it with a solvent first, something like turpentine or other odorless mineral spirits. This makes it more versatile for different painting styles and techniques. One of the biggest advantages of Stand Oil is its ability to reduce visibility of brush strokes. So if you're aiming for a more polished or refined look, Stand Oil is your friend. Heck, I personally like Stand Oil for its ability to help with my gradient transitions when it comes to just simple things like blending, or when I need to blend some of my elements to my base layers or my base colors, just like you can see here on screen with my clouds and the base of my mountain. Stand Oil also slows down the drying time of your paints, which can be a huge benefit for artists who like to take their time blending and working on their pieces. This is also another huge win for all of you wet on wet painters out there like me. Stand Oil increases the gloss and depth of your colors, giving your paintings a rich, vibrant finish. On the flip side, Stand Oil does have that slow drying time, which can be a drawback for some of you out there, especially if you're working on tight schedules or you just want quick results. Another con can be the yellowing over time, especially if used in thick layers or without the proper protection from light. This can affect the color accuracy of your work down the road. In my experience and through some research that I've done, this can be mitigated a little bit by adding a few drops of artist-grade linseed oil or odorless mineral spirits, or just a combination of both. Stand Oil can also make your paints feel more sticky or harder to control if you don't mix them properly or if you let them sit, something that I have noticed sometimes during my longer painting sessions. Stand Oil is an awesome medium for achieving smooth, glossy finishes and extending your working time. I personally recommend two types that I have used. Stand Oil from Gamblin is fantastic, and it comes in around $15 to $20 for an 8-ounce bottle. Or you can go with the water mixable version from Winsor & Newton, which is what you see right in front of me, and that comes in right around $10 to $12 for the 2.5-ounce bottle. And as always, I did you a favor and I put links down in the video description to the Stand Oil that I recommend you try out. Now, if you're looking for a way to enhance your glazing and blending techniques, why not give Stand Oil a try? Just be mindful of some of its quirks so that way you can harness its full potential. Now, if you want to learn more about all the different types of painting supplies, perhaps one of the best and healthier thinners out there, take a look at the video over to my side that goes over Gamblin Gamsol. You'll get to see more of my beautiful face, educating you on awesome painting supplies. I'll catch you all in the next video, and as always, peace.